Alrighty everyone, so today I have a little review of the Maely's Be Tight new Buttocks mask. So I'm going to be showing you how it's applied, a little bit about how to use it, as well as how it worked on my cellulite. So you spread a generous layer over your bum or thigh or wherever you have some cellulite, and until a slight warmth is felt, and then in circular motions you remove it and then go about your day. So this is what the box looked like, and this is the inside as well as the packaging of the container. So the container is super cute. It's heavy, it's glass, and it's got a cute little inspirational quote on the inside of the box, which I thought was adorable. But onto the packaging. So it is glass, it's heavy, and it comes with a lot of product in it. The texture and feeling of it is like slimy. It's kind of like weird, like it's a gooey slime. I don't know. I really don't know how to explain it, but let's just get into the application. So I hurt my neck and it was much easier just to get Matt to do this for me. So I had him apply it to my thighs in the cellulite area. So obviously you guys can see where I have the cellulite right under my bum crease, and I'm just, well, he's just applying it like so in a very thick layer to the affected area on both my thighs. Now, upon going on, it was really slimy and weird and kind of cold. The smell of it, I honestly don't know how to explain the smell. It kind of resembled Play-Doh. If you know what Play-Doh smells like. Yeah, it was like that. And the heat tingling feeling didn't happen for about 10 minutes for me. I started to feel slightly after 5, but more towards 10 is when I really felt the warmth, and it just felt like I had an icy hot pack on. Like, you know, icy hot, how you like put that on? That's what it felt like. It wasn't unbearable, it didn't hurt, just a nice warm tingling feeling. But Matthew is very aggressive when applying this. He did not want to do this video. He didn't want to help me. Oh well. But it would just be too awkward me trying to film applying it, so I just got him to do it, and he did absolutely terribly, but oh well. Now, the next funny part, I had to include the audio, so here we go.
Why does this chair want to eat your feet more than any other chair? Should put the shitty old wheels back on it so they don't.
So you have to run in circular motions.
Your legs look... I guess the whole thing's pink, but I feel like that might be...
The burning?
Yeah.
Yeah, most likely.
How am I supposed to rub in circular motion?
It just says just not too rough. That hurts.
I can't, there's no moisture left in it.
Just rub gently in circular motions till it's absorbed.
Okay, thanks for repeating the fucking things, but I can't do that.
You're doing fine.
You're not. You can barely stand up.
Kid.
What's all this schmoo? This your old cellulite coming off?
Ew! I don't know. Just rub it. Maybe it's like fucking hurting my skin.
Yeah, it's just peeling your skin off. Somebody's gonna wank to this video and I'm not comfortable with that. That's why you're making it, isn't it? You're like, well, if you get people there wanking it, that's just views.
There's girls in bikinis or ASMR that are way more sexual than you rubbing a fucking cream on my
Like the sassy
thighs.
cop?
Yes, exactly. Just keep going.
I don't... It's like Play-Doh at this point. What the fuck? Can I review this and give this like 1 star?
Sure, I'll keep the audio.
Yeah, I don't fucking... This is weird and gross. What do you do?
I don't know, scratch me.
I can't not. Like what?
Just keep rubbing.
How are you gonna sit on the couch after this?
Just keep rubbing.
Like, oh god. What
I don't know, don't say if I have to rinse it or anything.
What the fuck?
Just keep...
It's not good. This isn't a good thing.
Apply a generous amount on the buttocks area, wait a few minutes until a slight sense of heat appears. Afterwards, massage the mask well into the skin in a circular motion until it is absorbed completely. The sense of heat may increase and may be felt up to 2 hours. No need to wash the buttocks area after the mask is absorbed into the skin. You gotta keep rubbing my butt.
Yeah, because it's all on the floor.
Just rubbing my butt.
This is the worst stuff.
Yeah.
No,
circle small motions.
I can't. It's fucking brutal. This is the worst thing that ever happened to me. You're like, oh, hey, you want to come rub my butt? And I was like, yes. And then you're like, do you want to do it on camera? I'm like, no, not even a little bit. And then also, do you want what's essentially candle wax all over your hand? Yeah, no, that's great. I'll try to rub something with the consistency of candle wax into my wife's skin. That is wonderful and the worst thing.
Just keep rubbing in circles.
You've made rubbing your butt gross and not fun. How? How?
I don't know.
You took the one.
You don't have to wipe it. Circles.
You took.
This is part of.
This is the worst thing.
This is part of
You took something I love and you ruined it.
I want my son to go away.
Oh my god.
He's
screaming and I'm screaming. You should be screaming because this is on you and me and the floor.
It does burn a bit.
Yeah, because it's awful stuff. Throw this in the trash or ship it back to China.
No, I gotta use it for until it's gone.
No, I'm not doing. This isn't gonna be a part of my life. This weird wax hand. I don't like it either way.
Well, just finish.
Oh no, I don't even know if I'm done. Is there enough on the floor for me to call it quits? How do I rub in a circular motion? It's just.
Way down there, you missed some.
Yeah, it's. Look it. This is the worst.
Okay.
Yeah, of course there's no need to wipe it off or wash it off once you're done. It's on the floor. There's no, keep that running. Show them my floor. It looks like somebody fucking sharpened a crayon on the floor. 0 out of 10. Don't love it. It's slimy and waxy and gross.
Okay.